Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone XR and replace back cover. To disassemble iPhone XR, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup, tweezers, opening plastic tool. In description of this video I'll leave links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before completely disassembling the iPhone XR, I recommend using a magnetic pad. This will help not to get confused when reassembling your iPhone, because screws of different types and size used in this model. I'll leave links to this magnetic pad in the description. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and removing the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Using a hairdryer, heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. In this way, the glue heat between the iPhone case and the display, so it will be easier to open the case. Apply the suction cup to the bottom edge of the display and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. If you cannot do this with a plastic mediator, take any thin plastic card and insert it between the case and the display. Then it will be easier to pry with the mediator. Now evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. The display opens to the right side. Using a tri-wing screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Next, unscrew 2 screws and remove the second metal panel. Unscrew another 3 screws with a tri-wing screwdriver and 2 screws with a PH00 screwdriver. Now you can disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard. Disconnect cables of the display from the motherboard. Next, unscrew the 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the camera cable from the mainboard. After, pry up the camera module and remove it from the iPhone case. Unscrew 7 screws. Disconnect the cable. Disconnect the cable which is located between speaker and Taptic engine. Now you can remove the Taptic engine from the iPhone case. Note that speaker glued to the bottom of the case. To keep the factory adhesive tape, use a hairdryer to hit the place where the speaker glued. Now the speaker can be removed. Slowly pull one adhesive tape away from the battery. In the same order repeat with other 3 adhesive tapes. Disconnect all cables. Now you can remove the logic board from the iPhone XR case. Using a hairdryer, heat where located cables of Face ID. Next, gently separate the cable of the iPhone case. In the description of this video I'll add links where you can buy new back cover for iPhone XR. Install the logic board into the case and check that all cables must be above the logic board. Fasten 5 screws to the logic board. Install the SIM card reader and connect the cable to the logic board. Then fasten 2 screws. Install the rear camera into the iPhone case and install metal panel. Fasten 2 screws. Install the Face ID module in the iPhone case. Connect 3 cables from the Face ID module to the logic board. The battery should be glued to the metal surface of iPhone case. Apply the adhesive tape and install the battery in housing of iPhone. Install the speaker to the case. Fasten 2 screws. Install the metal part and fasten screw. Install the Taptic engine and connect the cable. Fasten 2 screws to the Taptic engine. Between the Taptic engine and speaker, install the metal panel and fasten 2 screws. Connect the antenna cable. Fasten 7 screws. For test iPhone, connect 3 cables to the mainboard, and only after that connect the battery cable. Turn over the display and turn on the iPhone. Check how the iPhone works, and if everything is fine, let's go to the gluing of the case. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. After, using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Take a new adhesive tape and apply on the case. With this tape you keep the iPhone waterproof. I left links where you can buy this adhesive tape in description of this video. Connect 3 cables to the mainboard, and only after that connect the battery cable. Next, install all panels and fasten screws. Now turn over the display and press the display to the case. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port. Install a SIM card, and now you can turn on the iPhone. Good luck!